welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday at HomeGrown HomeSewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. We got the whole crew with some fun stuff. We're going to start off, they will show you the panel, one of the panels by Sandy Gervais at Riley Blake. This goes with Awesome Autumn. We also have the panel in Light, and we are going to be having a kit coming up with this. Make a fun little table runner. How cute is that? Upside down. Even cuter when it's right side up, guys. All right, so we have some bolts to go along with that as well. We'll have that kit going soon. Then, of course, Sayla's here with the 5-inch stack. Isn't it so cute?
Turn it around.
Turn around. Show them this part. Is it so pretty? Yeah. All right, next to Sayla right here, we have Sweet Dreams by Studio E. This is adorable because, look, it's like counting sheep. How cute is that? Mama Bear is going to make a little crib cover with some of this. So wait to see that because it's going to be dang cute. Then we have a box quilt here. This is Fall Barn Quilt. It is 59-inch square. It's a fun, these barns are a panel, and then you're making mostly half square triangles. Everything's in here. Super great box to store stuff in as well. Have some fun patterns. We have Jelly Sticks by Miss Corey Yoder. We have Dazzling by the lovely Chelsea Stratton. And then we have Fresh Flowers by her mom, Sherry. Then, if you need some sheen in your life, which I think we all do, friends, we have Kona Sheen. These are just, we've already sold some of them, guys. We literally brought them down, and Sydney sold some of them, and I'm thinking Denise is going to buy some, and they're just good. They're good. We have one last thing to show you. More gnomes, friends.
Gnomes.
We have gnomes. These are You Light My Way Gnome. Aren't they cute? They're little like owl gnomes and such business. Oh, look, Mountain Mushroom, Ladybug Lane, Gnomeville. It's cute. Okay. Our show is, we're starting the guys versus girls competition, so don't go and buy anything because it's the guys week, okay? I mean it. Don't buy anything from them. It's at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I think it's standard on Sunday. And we will be next week at the lovely Quilters Gathering in Berlin. There will be trunk shows and classes by Robin Pickens and Corey Yoder, two of our favorite designers. Delightful ladies as well. So if you're in that area of Berlin or like a 3-hour drive or less, come see us there, okay? In the meantime, happy quilting. Bye.